Palestina!
The flag.
Palestina! Palestine will be free! Palestine will be free!
Cheerio! Cheerio! Cheerio!
The theatre was almost empty. They sold 400 and odd tickets out of a 1900 auditorium. It was We guarantee Batsheva there's a very warm welcoming committee waiting for you in Salford in a couple of days' time. Your journey down the UK, I can guarantee there's an even better committee than this waiting for you in Brighton. From Plymouth, Leicester, Bradford, London, everywhere you go without exception, you will be protested outside and inside every single performance in this tour and in any tour that you venture to out in the future. That's a guarantee. But we here in Edinburgh tonight, we've given them the beginning to the tour that they deserve. That's going to be maintained up and down the UK. The man from Palestine who came here yesterday for the first time, he went home a couple of inches taller, seeing the kind of protest that we have put up here.
We will protest apartheid! Scotland, England, UK way! We will protest apartheid! Scotland, England, UK way! We will protest apartheid!
Let's end up on a high note. We won, we won. We're going to continue to struggle for the people of Palestine. Their agony is intensifying. Our struggle will intensify, and victory is absolutely certain.